Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw social posts from buffer into later using AI repurposing, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your buffer account. Navigate to the posts section to find your scheduled social media content. Select the posts you want to withdraw for repurposing. Export these posts through Buffer's export feature, which usually provides data in CSV format. Open your downloaded CSV file to review the contents. Next, log into your Later account. Locate the Content Import section within Later's dashboard. Import the CSV file containing your buffer posts into Later. Once uploaded, review the imported posts for accuracy and relevance. Identify the key themes or messages in each post that can be repurposed. Use AI tools or software to generate variations on the original content. Make sure to tailor the AI-generated content to fit the desired format or platform. Enhance the visuals or media associated with each post to improve engagement. Schedule the repurposed posts in Later, aligning them with your content calendar. Review the posting times and adjust them based on audience engagement insights. Finalize your preparation by confirming all posts are correctly set up and ready to publish. That's how to effectively withdraw social posts from buffer into Later utilizing AI repurposing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.